In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the top 3 ways to make money on TikTok as a content creator. The first way is through coins. As a viewer, you can add coins to your TikTok account by clicking on the 3 dots in the top right corner of your profile page. Now, you will click on balance, and as you can see, I have no coins in my balance, but I can tap recharge and buy different amounts of coins. Now, in order to make money through these coins, you can go live, which requires at least 1,000 followers, and when your viewers donate you coins for various reasons, these are converted into diamonds. Once you reach 10,000 diamonds, which as far as I know roughly equals $50 in cash, you can cash out on PayPal. Now the second method is to create and sell a TikTok account. Now this would not really work for a personal account with your face and name on it, but it would work for an account that posts tutorials, funny videos, compilations and such. And you can build it up and sell it to another marketer once you have a large enough following. The third and final way to make money on TikTok as a content creator is through brand deals. As soon as you have enough influence, you can reach out to some of your favorite brands and make a deal to promote their product. If you have smaller accounts, you're gonna want to start with local businesses and smaller brands. So that's it for how to make money on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. I would appreciate it if you liked it, and I will see you next time.